I'm about to unbox this beautiful Lodge red enameled Dutch oven. It is cast iron. I have several cast iron pieces, but I've never had an enameled one before. And I have a couple of Dutch ovens. One is old and ancient, and I like pretty red things in my kitchen. You may have noticed that. And the other one I have has plastic handles and a plastic handle on the lid. So I was looking for something that is stovetop to oven safe because I have a couple of recipes that require, cooking on the stovetop first and then maybe some baking afterward. So that's what I was wanting to look for when I decided to get this Dutch oven because I like cooking with cast iron, so I'm pretty excited. Isn't it gorgeous? Just look at how pretty it is. And I'm sure that I'll be talking more about this piece after I've used it, but I just wanted to share with you this video and show you how pretty it is. And then, like I said, once I read a little bit about it and I've used it, then I'm sure, making some more comments about how I liked it and my thoughts were. But I just want at this point just to show you how gorgeous it is. Look, I just love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. Thanks for watching this video.